Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, at the workbench, thicknessing two boards. Now, you can measure, but sometimes measurements don't matter. You just want them similar thickness. So I'll lay them out so their planing direction is in the same direction, and I'll put them side by side. And if there's any discrepancies in the thickness, I can plane it out from one side to the other. See? Same thickness. Then I'll take the boards, move them apart. Do the same thing over here. Because oftentimes, it doesn't matter what the thickness of the board is for your project. It can be off plus or minus a 1/16. As long as two mating boards are the same. We're almost there. Plus your fingers, your fingertips can also detect high and low spots. Like right now, I'm high here and here. So there you have it. I'm not saying they're perfectly flat, perfectly straight, perfectly true. I already flattened them once before, but they're the same thickness on both sides now. So that's what you do when you're doing panel layout. Now, word of caution. These were both planed in this direction. But if you are looking to do some sort of a grain match, you're going to have one going in one direction, one going in the other direction. Just a word of caution. You have to plane one side, then plane the other side. Hope this was helpful to someone. Just a quick shop tip. Like, subscribe, and share. Walter out.